In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto dubbing on YouTube if you're a viewer, then I'll show you how you can do it if you're a creator and you want to turn it off on future uploads. Okay, so I'll first show you how you can turn it off if you are a viewer. So if you're a YouTube viewer and you click on a video and auto dubbing is turned on, you can go to that video, you can then go to settings, and then here where it says audio track, you can go ahead and change it to your original audio track. So for me, that is English original. Now, there isn't actually a feature to turn it off across all YouTube videos, so every YouTube video you have to change it or turn it off here. If you are a YouTube creator and you want to turn off audio dubbing on your channel, then you need to go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, you need to go to YouTube Studio, and then once you're in Studio, you need to go to Settings in the bottom left hand corner. Once you're in Settings, you can go to Upload Defaults. Go to Advanced Settings and then scroll down, and here you'll see Automatic Dubbing. You can go ahead and then uncheck Allow Automatic Dubbing and it will turn it off. You can also manually dub in specific languages, but that's for you to choose. Then click Save and you will then have turned off Automatic Dubbing.